So in this Zillow tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search recently sold houses here on Zillow. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Zillow application, then go to the top right here and press on the filters button right beside where the search bar is. Go ahead and press on the filters button. Now at the top where it says for sale, for rent, or recently sold, I want you to go ahead and simply press on recently sold. Then you can go to the bottom here and press on whatever price range you want. Then once it's done, you can go to the bottom and press on search. For me, it says zero, zero results because we're so zoomed far out. But if we were to zoom in a little bit more, it'll then show us a little bit more results regarding recently sold homes. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can search recently sold houses here on Zillow. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.